Basic English sentences. Don't talk. Don't be lazy. Don't move. Don't be so excited. Go home. Stay here. Call me tomorrow. It's possible. Leave me alone. Raise your hand. Let me go. Nice to meet you. Wait for me. Pray to God. Make a sentence. I can swim. Ask him. I should go. Wash your hands. Think about it. I use it. Don't copy others. Stop the car. You stay there. Be punctual. I can't believe. I am not ready. Respect your elders. Try to understand. Don't forget to inform. Don't be angry. I don't know. Do it again. Don't break it. I agree. Clean it. Speak loudly. Don't give up. You are right. Please come back. Don't jump. Don't criticize others. Draw a picture. Help him. It's unbelievable. Give me a ticket. Don't shout. Look at me. Don't take it. Stop the work. I trust you. This is not true. He will not go. Write a letter. Give up bad habits. I don't want anything. You know it. Don't lose it. He does not go to school. I am very busy. He is not my friend. I am in trouble. Don't be shy. Come to me. Console him. I guess. Don't touch the switch. I can't do this. Don't cheat anybody. Bring food. I got it. I will punish you. Don't lose hope. Close the window. He is still fighting. Look here. Start reading. Write it in English. Walk slowly. Look behind. Stand here. Let's meet. Give me one. Don't smoke. You are right. It was funny. He is alive. Tell me the rules. I can't say. Hire a taxi. I speak the truth. I have no complaint. Don't insist. Don't be stubborn. You should not allow this. Ask him to sit down. Let me play now. I don't need anything now. I have no objection. Go to bed. You don't talk to me anymore. I have nothing to say about this. Don't walk barefoot. Stand still. Please understand. Wash the clothes. Let them relax. Don't hesitate.